Hi, I'm Pavan Duggal, President Cyberlaws.net, Advocate Supreme Court of India, and the Chairman of the International Commission on Cybersecurity Law. A lot of people ask me, how do you become a cyber law expert or a cyber law advocate? Clearly, you not only have to do your law, but thereafter you need to specialize into the space. And there are a couple of courses and online universities, as also physical world universities, that are giving you specializations in cyber law. Now, typically, people believe that cyber law is just one discipline. However, the fact is that as technology is moving rapidly, there are various specializations that are coming within the broad umbrella of cyber law. So if you become a cyber law advocate, you have a variety of options. You can do your own practice as a practicing advocate in various courts. Number two, you can become a specialist in electronic evidence related matters, because today a lot of matters are coming connecting electronic evidence to the matters in controversy. And therefore, a big chunk of the challenge today is how do you prove electronic evidence? You could specialize in that particular area. Another big area that cyber law practitioners have in front of them relates to cybercrime. Today, there are cybercrimes happening all across the world, and cybercrime is no longer a Western phenomenon. It's actually impacting your and my life as a whole. So when people are becoming victims of cybercrime, clearly they require cyber lawyers to assist them, either to report cybercrimes or to prosecute cyber criminals. And in case if you actually want to represent a cyber criminal, then you also need to have adequate skills to protect the legal interests of your client. In addition, a variety of companies are now today looking forward to having cyber lawyers on their roles as in-house counsels. You could also become an advisor to various companies. You can also delve in the area of online arbitration. So the options are growing with each passing day. A lot of people ask me, how much money should they expect in the beginning? Well, the sky's the limit as far as your growth in cyber law is concerned. Initially, you could even begin with 10, 15, 20,000 rupees, and then how you ultimately grow will be dependent on what all value that you can bring on the table and how quickly you can hone your skill sets. But all said and done, I think cyber law presents a very fascinating career option for people after college, and given the various sub-specializations that have started coming in, I think it's a great choice to go for. But provided, it's imperative that you must have an appropriate orientation and appropriate liking for the subject, because much that cyber law looks absolutely very glamorous, the fact is there's a lot of work involved. So you would need to be prepared for some real hard work if you want to go in this particular area of emerging legal discipline.